Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching another video. Hope you enjoyed that. That was kind of stupid, but I just wanted to, you know, make a little something kind of funny. So you may think that the most logical thing for me to do for the bloody nose would be ketchup, but my dumbass used sriracha and now this shit burns so bad. Anyways, today we got a new part. I know you guys love it when I get a new part. I love it when I get a new part. I shouldn't have bought this part, but I've wanted it for so long. I always say that, but this time I found a really good deal. So this is gonna be really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. What could it be? The fuck is this? What? Sick? I'm just kidding, guys. Here it is. I finally got a carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how nice this thing is. Full carbon fiber. We have the red stitching. This thing is gorgeous. I'm also kind of glad it doesn't have the F Sport or any type of F logo. Honestly, I don't really care about that kind of stuff. Like, the cleaner the better. If my RCF seats didn't have the F, I wouldn't mind either. My car is not an F car. I'm really hyped on this. Even the paddle shifters are freaking carbon fiber. Enough of that nonsense. I don't really know how to install it, but I kind of have an idea, so let's go ahead and tackle it. First thing we're gonna want to do, unplug your battery. This is an ugly mess. If you don't know where the battery is, that's the battery. Once you have the battery removed, next, you're gonna need a flathead. You're gonna use the flathead and pry this open right here. Yeet! So you're gonna want to do the same thing to this side. Should look something like that. Now I believe there's 2 springs you have to click in order for the airbag to come out. Nice. As you can see, 2 of these right here just came out. Now we have 1 more over here. So now that we have all of them unclipped, we can pull the airbag out. Kind of scary, low-key. So now that we have it out, it's gonna look like this. What you're gonna want to undo is this, that, which is the horn, and then we have a whole bunch of this. I know it looks complicated, but it's only 2 plugs. This is what plugs into the airbag. So what you're gonna want to do is just stick your flathead. Hopefully we don't break anything. Got those off. Stick it in through here. Gets it undone. That's pretty much it. Next we have this little part here, and it's out. Airbag completely out. This gets really tricky because I heard that this right here is a clock spring. It's like the whole mechanism. It holds like everything together. All the wires are being held together by this ribbon. So this is very important. If you fuck this up, you're gonna have to pay hundreds in repairs. So first thing we're gonna do is, I know you just get the top right here. Next, you're gonna wanna get this. Woo! Everything is unplugged from here. You gotta make sure everything is unplugged. Holy shit, that was so scary. Thought it broke. Should look like this. You should only have this, which connects to the airbag. Right? Let's plug everything back in. You don't have to use a torque wrench or anything like that because you're gonna just end up stripping it, so it's better to just do it by hand. It's not going anywhere. Black goes to black, red goes to red. Push this down because you don't want these getting undone. And then it'll clip back into those 3 spots.
Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out.
1, 2, 3.
3.
All right, moment of truth. This thing feels so solid. It feels so thick. Like, I love it. Wow. Everyone has always told me to get this mod because they tell me I'm gonna love it, and I already love it, and I haven't even started driving with it yet. What do you guys think though? Should I get matching carbon pieces, like overlays, just to match this a little bit more? Kind of thinking about it, but like I said, I'm not like a super huge fan of exposed carbon fiber, but this is the exception, man. This is so sick. It is just so nice. Even the back, it is just such a nice, good looking wheel. There you have it. Pretty simple install. I was shitting bricks the whole time, so if you guys shit bricks, don't worry, I was in the same boat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the carbon fiber steering wheel that I picked out. Huge shout out to Jeff on the Facebook group. Thank you so much for just guiding me through everything. He even went and took apart his OEM wheel in the middle of the night just to show me. And he also is the one that sold it to me. So thank you, Jeff, you rock. Damn, I can't get over it. I feel like it really complements the interior. So nice. Just the carbon wheel, got the RCF seats, a couple little interior goodies. Everything works. Digging it. This thing's sick. Paddles work. The downshift is a little unresponsive just on initial tap, so you kind of have to give it a little pressure. It's not a big deal. It's aftermarket. Signals work. It knows when I'm turning, so then it turns off the signal. All in all, this mod was probably one of the best mods. I absolutely love it. It's these little things that make your driving experience a little bit better. The only thing that I'm bummed out about is I do need an alignment. It either leans to the right or to the left. There's no like right in between, and I think it's just my alignment's messed up. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed as soon as I can. It's pretty much it for the install. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this helps you guys when you get a carbon fiber steering wheel, because I know you're gonna get one. All right guys, so we're over here at Nordstrom. Just got a fresh cut, and we're here in Nordstrom because we're picking something up. When you guys are modding your car, don't get too caught up and spend all your money on your car. Always try to give back to those around you. And I just got something for my #1 fan. It's gonna be lit. You guys already know. This is the dream car right here. What the fuck is this piece of shit doing here? I love the red on this. This shit is so metallic. All right, so my #1 fan is my girlfriend. She's supported me since day one. She doesn't even know that I got her these. Let me show you guys real quick. So she showed me this, I want to say like 2 days ago. Damn, these are fucking cute, low key. If I was a bad bitch, I'd be wearing these too. We tend to get caught up in just like modding our cars. Obviously we pay bills and do all that kind of stuff. Like, you're not gonna just buy car parts and not pay your car or pay your bills or pay rent or any of that. It's nice to just pull money aside, get something for your mom or get something for your girlfriend or a friend that you really care about. It's just, these little things are gonna come back. And I'm not saying do it for good karma, but just do it out of the goodness of your heart. But yeah, steering wheel is all good now. I got an alignment. Everything is good. It drives amazing. I love how stiff it is. Definitely recommend this mod for any of you guys. It is pricey, but you are going to love it. Because think about it, a steering wheel is something that you use every single day. I'm honestly hoping that since I'm surprising her with this, someday she'll surprise me with that. I got you something.
No, you didn't. You didn't do it. Oh my God, Jason. Oh my.
Oh.
Just showing my dad today.
Is it the one you wanted? Sweet. The only reason why I got them for you is so you can buy me car parts.
Perfect. Deal.
Well, that was a success. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I know you guys are watching it, not subscribing. Subscribing definitely helps me. The more of an audience I see, the more it makes me want to create. So please, please, please subscribe. Like this video if you think that I should get the bumper on already. I can expedite that. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Catch you guys later. Oh